What's up, everyone? Yeah, I don't feel good. I wanted to make this video, and I was waiting for a day that I was sick like this. It's been long. Let's sit down and talk. I'm really liking this desk. So, I get asked from people, yes, I'm playing at the desk. What do you do when you're on your own and you feel like not good? And I'm like, that's exactly the reason why I'm full of sawdust. I don't know if you can tell. Just doing cutting boards. That's the reason why we like to stay ahead. And if you stay ahead, then it's not so bad when you have to take an emergency day or two off. The last 2 days, Sarah and I both came down with something, and we had the body chills. If I had the energy, I would have cut off every hair in my body because it hurt so bad. My beard hurt, my head hurt. It's just, I could feel like everything. It hurt so bad. So I wanted to make this video to talk to you guys and what I do to get through. The number one thing is we try to stay ahead. Obviously, there's some stuff that's going to come up. We did a proof for someone and we forgot half the proof. That's how foggy we were. And we just flat out tell them, sorry, we've been dealing with something bad. But also, when you have to come down and work, pick your times. If you start feeling good or a little bit, just come down and you start working right away and just power through it. I've never sweat so much in my entire life the last couple of days. I got too hot. I had to take the sweatshirt off. So stay ahead. Now we're coming up on our days that we're ahead so far. We're coming up on those days that we need to start working full on again. So now I have a lot of orders to do because they've been piling up. So I'm gonna work tonight. That's hence why I'm doing this video. It's because I'm starting to feel a little better, and I want to do those cutting boards because they go out tomorrow. I want to do this video because this goes out later on Friday, but I wanted to get it done now because I'm sick, and so you guys can see what I'm doing or what I'm dealing with. The other thing is I have a new laser. It already arrived. It's in the room, kinda. And I'll show you guys that in a different video. So it's just a teaser. Let's see. I've been getting questions on Etsy SEO stuff. And I have videos on that. Recently we are doing the Sales Samurai, and there's a link in the description. You don't have to do it. That has been helping a ton. Because I don't know if you guys know this, the algorithm has changed. Since 2020, they've been changing it, and now with the AI, your algorithm, how does this work? So, how do I say it? You guys can search something, and they're going to show you something totally different, because let's say one of you guys are searching snowmobiles and then some wedding gifts. Well, and you have someone else that's searching dirt bikes and baby gifts. You guys won't, or wedding gifts will say the same thing. When Google puts it in there, they're going to show you two different things that are at the top of the page. So no one knows where it is. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, you can have a whole array of things, but it's different for each eyeballs looking at it. So you have to be aware of that. And so you have to really be on key with your titles and your tags. And tags are good, but your titles have to be on par. And then it's pictures. So every time I look at this desk, I get a kick out of it. Sorry, I just have to show you. So see why I laugh every time? I know, I'm immature. That guy right there. So it's gonna be a shorter video. I have a lot of things to get ready and get going on, because this weekend I wasn't planning on working, but since I got behind, I'm gonna be working, and I gotta figure out the new software and such for the laser. So yeah, and I have to get some bids because I'm thinking we're gonna move all this to the garage. So I'm gonna get an electrician in and get some stuff figured out with that. So that'll end my cutting board career for a while, for the meantime. But we'll see. I'll talk to a couple of guys I know that do cabinets, and they could probably make them for me in bulk. So hope you guys are doing a lot better than me right now. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.